Alright, cool. So with most kits, you want to make sure you have everything. So I'm just going to lay everything out. I like to install with magnets. Tape's fine, but I like magnets a lot. So we have 5 pieces of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll install these a little bit later. We're going to do this first piece. So what I like to do is just lay it out where it's at. I'll try to find a good center mark, like here and this side. Sometimes you can take the back and just stick that down if it wants to fall on you. And then what I'll do, so what I'll do here is line it up straight here. I'll pull about half this backing off. I want to go slowly so you don't mess up the vinyl or have it not come off. So I feel it to about here. Take this clean side and just stick it onto there while I cut this back. And I'll try not to cut your paint. So most people do it different. I'll bring it way out here so you stay away from the paint. So I made a clean cut. Now the image didn't move because we still have the magnets holding it. And anything that we're sending has air release in it, so just going to bring it in and it'll just kind of fall into place. There you go. So you grab your squeegee. Oh. So you got our squeegee, and I like to start right from here. So just make sure you get this edge locked in. Just up a little bit. Cool. Now you can just kind of start slowly. I just hold a little bit of an angle, kind of overlap by maybe like 1.5 inches, maybe just 1 inch. Just keep laying. I know I didn't say anything in the beginning, but you know, always just make sure your car is clean. Wipe it down. I like to use denatured alcohol. It's really good. It gets all the grime off. So we got this all laid in here. Okay. Now that we're past that section, just make sure right here's pushed in. So now we don't really need the magnets anymore. So I'm going to set those off to the side. Take this, pull it back your way. A little bit further, and then you can start removing this backing slowly. This one I'll probably grab about halfway. I'm going to bring it out and over. And you'll see when I hold that tension that stays lined up what needs to be. It's not too bad to work with, you just have to take your time, try not to rush. Now these chargers, there's a body line, so you don't want to get too far ahead of yourself. I mean, just kind of follow right here. Cool, that's easily locked in. Now you're just going to run around up here. The gas lid. Now the only part that's gotten a little weird is just by the door handle. Oh, actually I could just take this. Just get that out of my way a little bit. Now right there, this body line is, so you just want to work yourself up to this body line and then kind of just arch over. Now when you get this decal, make sure you're not in a rush. Don't try to get it done right before you got to go somewhere and rush through it and have creases and stuff. Just want to take your time. This one we had to go through the door handle, so I'll just tear a little spot here and here to give it the relief so it just kind of falls into place. And if you want, just for safety, make sure you just push it down one last time. You don't want it to come off while removing.
Take 25.
Now I'll just touch up all the little stuff. So I'm gonna grab my blade, make your little cut here. That'll fall into place as it should be. Same right here. And that'll fall into place. And same here with the door. We'll cut it right on the back. Fold in, which, see, everybody will make little mistakes, but you can just pull it right back. Take your card, is what I should have done. Press that in. Awesome, so we got all this lined up. Next part is the gas tank. So when there's edge, you always want to cut on like this side, because in here it's deeper, it's going to fold in. What I mean is, see how it kind of fell in there a little bit? Same with this, take that, fall into place. Boom, and what else we got? I know we got a couple more spots.
Yeah, I don't have no
This one right down here. What I'm doing is just letting the blade just kind of slide across the bottom, not gouging in the paint. And then push the bottom here. And this is just a quick install video. If I was getting real crazy with it, I would, you know, go over a bunch of little things, but there's basically this part, and there's a few more sections where the rest that come in the kit you can just kind of place wherever you want.